So welcome back to brand new video. Hopefully you like the intro. That took 10 minutes 20 minutes to shoot it. Okay, so this video I'm totally going to just show what I do in quarantine time. And yeah, before going to the video, make sure like, share and subscribe Diecast TV. So let's go. So the first thing in my table, I used to have an iPad right here and a phone, and over here, sorry for the noise, there were a lot of noise, so I need to just edit it or cut it before. Okay, leave that. So here I used to take my phone and play some games for a while, and I'll take some cinematic shots sometime with this car if I'm time being bored for the upcoming video. And yesterday I took a dope photo, you can see right here. It looks great, right? It looks great, I know. Okay, I just edited this photo, and I use like I'll in the quarantine time I just take a lots and lots of photo editing, plus I'll do some gaming, like top 3 games I used to play in the phone. That's probably this one. I'm a car fan, so I used to play only these sport games, Naito Nation and Asphalt 9. It's good. So let's move on to next location. Ta-da. Next location, we are right here. This is a cupboard, and over here it's not that big. I have the selfie stick which I used to take cinematic shots with the phone, and this one right here, it's very special. You know why? I'll just show you right now. So I was saying, no, something special in this bag. I'm gonna show you, bro. See right here. There are lots of cars, and some car is very like special to me, like this one right here. It has a broken tire and some paints are be gone off, so use I just used an custom paint with watercolors. Like that, I just did some custom paint to this also to make an ordinary Nissan 370Z into this modulation. You can see right here. It's great. Okay, so let's show you what else is there. And I think so I didn't show you this car, but this is a sneak peek of next video, so I'll just you just guess it. Which car it might be, just guess it. So that's one car right there. Let's check what else are there. One more thing, since we do our channel is a diecast TV channel, so why we need to leave this? Damn, this is a fresh metal pentagon fidget spinner with 5 sides. You can see it's absolutely weight, no doubt at all, but it's good. Next few things I have, like Beyblade, and you can see some Toyota Fortuner. That's all. Okay, let's let's move to the next location. Okay, let's make it disappear in 1 minute. 3, 2, 1. Disappeared. Oh my god, it's disappeared, but one car is still there. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Leave it. Let's change the location. Boom. So we came to this location just right now. Oh my god. Oh my. On the fan. So this is the location where I used to be the most time. That's that's really satisfying because feel like in park if you sit in this swing, it's like a giant swing, like 3 to 4 people can sit. Yeah, made up of wood, plywood, and there you can see there are some of our cycles. So I just used to clean them during this quarantine time, and I'll show you what's there. Let's go in 1 second. The magic. 3, 2, 1. Before that, we need to off the fan. We have made it. This is the we just made. So that's a room right there, kind of messy, but that's why I just don't want to go there. But I wish I could have shown what's better, what's there inside that. I could have shown it, but whoa. Okay, let's return back to our studio. Okay, we just made it to our studio back. Yeah. But this is a 2020 Studio 2 Plus quarantine vlog. Yeah, I think so. You have saw my old studio vlog, but now it's damn upgraded. You can see new PC has come. The old PC is there now. It's a CCTV camera. Bah! Here is our two iPad, one for editing, one for audio mixing plus little bit cinematic shots. And yeah, for now I'm gonna end off this video. Hopefully you guys like the video. Make sure like, share, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.